Mbulaminaka and welcome to my hotel room tour of the Intercontinental in Sydney. Now this went through a $120 million refurbishment in 2022 and it's already looking $120 million better. The colour scheme is much more contemporary. It's got blues and cool greys and silvers rather than the old burgundies and aubergines, yellowy pine colours it used to have. So yeah, much nicer. This is the bathroom, quite compact. It is the basic room that I'm staying in. I think it's classic or a king standard room. They have Byredo amenities which smell chef's kiss and super fluffy towels, a really big bed, complimentary water, and very spacious for your like baseline room. We've got a mini bar tucked away here really elegantly. And this was fabulously stocked with some nibbles, some spirits, some wine. So yes, a big tick again, a TV that you can cast off onto from your device. And then we have their big full length windows. And I had a city view room, so my room opened up out to the offices of AMP. Lucky for them. But a lot of natural light, and as I said before, the room is your sort of baseline room, and for that price and for that level, there's quite a bit of space. This is just another little mini bar, fridge, and tea and coffee station. I think with the refurbishment, it's definitely value for money. I would highly recommend staying.